Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
After highs in the 30s on Monday and the 40s yesterday, many spots climbed up into the 50s earlier this afternoon. And right now we have temperatures that are in the 30s, 40s, and 50s across northeast Wisconsin with lots of clouds and just a little bit of light rain in spots. Currently in Appleton, it is 48 degrees. In Green Bay, we have some dim sunshine with overcast conditions. The temperature is 46, and we're looking at east winds at around 10 miles per hour. The radar this evening showing some patchy light rain. It's indicating that there is some snow falling as well, but that would be mainly across the UP back up into the Arrowhead of Minnesota. Temperatures are simply too warm for most of us to see any snow right now, but later on tonight, as the temperature does drop back into the 30s just about everywhere, there's going to be a slightly better chance for some wet snow mixing in with those rain showers. So rain and snow showers on and off throughout the night into tomorrow morning. As this weak system kind of slides east across the state, it'll continue to control our weather for most of tomorrow, and then on the other side of it, there's lots of sunshine and much warmer temperatures, and that is going to move into Wisconsin starting on Friday. Tomorrow, look for cloudy skies, maybe a rain or snow shower early, and then a chance for a few sprinkles or a rain shower during the morning. By the mid-afternoon or early evening, I think many of us will start to break into at least some sunshine. You can see on Skycast here at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, a chance for a little snow, a chance for some rain showers. That eventually comes to an end by the second half of the day. Drier air punching in from Canada should clear skies out across much of the area as we head towards sunset. So starting cloudy, but wrapping up with lots of sunshine. Now, this is Tornado and Severe Weather Awareness Week here in the state of Wisconsin. No severe weather is expected tomorrow, and that's a good thing because we're going to have our test tornado warning. We will have a mock tornado warning issued at 1:45 and then again at 6:45. That gives you a chance to practice your safety plan initially at work and school, and then at home with the entire family, once again at 6:45. So tonight, a rain or a snow shower, overnight lows in the 30s. Tomorrow, a chance for a rain or snow shower with clouds early and then some sunshine by the afternoon. My 3-degree guarantee for Thursday is 48. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Dortran, and we did that today. I forecast 49. The actual high was 47 degrees. 53 on Friday, up to 60 on Saturday, right around 60 on Sunday, maybe a couple of showers, mid-60s on Monday, and then cooling down a little bit for Tuesday and Wednesday.
So when should you start planting those flowers?